Hey, I'd like to introduce to you our newest e-learning course, the e-learning of how to be a successful freelance photographer. Well, why do we launch this course? Simple. The world is rushing online madly now and they need a lot of photos for their products to sell online. So the world needs more photographers than ever before. And secondly, in the whole creative industry, photography has always had the lowest barrier to entry. With the advancements of digital cameras and LED lights, it's so much easier to be a professional photographer now than ever before. And thirdly, photography is something that you can totally do part-time. And as such, we're proud to bring you our newest e-learning course, How to be a Successful Freelance Photographer. This course is going to show you all the tips and tricks of how you get started of turning photography into a secondary income avenue in your life. Your photos have always been good. People like your photos. So why not you make money from photography, all while still maintaining your full-time job? So hurry, head on to my website now and pre-register for this course before we launch in December. And enjoy the pre-launch price. Trust me, you'll save tremendously.